Welcome back to Yusuf Talks Tech Show. So today we are going to make a project on an app that can identify junk food. So there is one boy named Jojo and he is going to a party and his mother has said to do not eat junk food in that party. So I have to make an app that can identify junk food and the app should there are four junk foods. So there are junk food and when Jojo come near them the app the junk food should change their color to red. So let's start making sprites. Then we will take make new sprite. One run is already placed here. So we will make a Jojo sprite. And Jojo is this. He's kept here. Then we go to sprites, make new sprite. And again we will take this gray. We will keep it here. Sprite. Again make new sprite and then we will take burger sprite. Keep it here. Sprite. Make new sprite. Then we will take a healthy food that is this and keep it here. Then again make new sprite. And then we will again take this cupcake block. Then we will keep it here. Now we are done with the sprite making. All the things are done. Just now we have to give the steps. So Jojo just have to wander and go around God. So we will take behavior. Sprite begins. Variables, loops, behaviors, wandering. In the sprite to Jojo. And now it's done. And then we will take an event that is when Jojo touches burger, actions change color of burger to red. Because if Jojo touches a burger, then the color should change to red. Again take events, again take when touches. And this time we will take when Jojo touches cupcake, then change color to red. This also change color to red. And then again go to events, again go to when touches and keep it here. Again take Jojo and now we will take when touches this gray. Then we will take actions, change color of this to this. And then wonder and events when Jojo touches watermelon, then actions, events, behaviors, then we will type here healthy food. Let's eat it first. And then we will type here healthy food located. We will cut from here. Then we will paste it. Now all is done. Let's run and see if it is working. The sprite is going towards burger. The burger changed its color to red. Now it is going towards the cold drink. It is going towards this. Yeah, healthy food. Let's eat it. After eating this, and when again it will go to cupcake, so reset it and do it. Sprites. But we should change the sprite that it's move faster. Its speed is very low. So we should increase its speed. Because if the speed is very low, then it will move very slow. logic, functions, text. No, no text is there. The increase speed is not there. Variables, loops, no, it's not there. I thought it would be there. Mm, no, it's not there. Sprites, no, it's not there. So I am done with all my making. I will again put down. Bell. No, we will not take this all. Now we are done with our all the things. Let's run again it. We will put the cupcake. It's already in red color, so it is not changing its color. So wait, let me change this color and do it. And we tell this, the color will change to black. Now let's see. Now let's run it. The color has changed to black, but we will take it red. Red. Run. Now let's see. Now all is perfect. Because all the things are done clearly. Now it is coming to the cupcake. That will change this color. It will come to the cold drink. It will keep wandering like this until Jojo touches any food. Healthy food, let's eat it. See? So thanks for watching.